you're using Windows, other sounds from your device like notifications and alerts may be reduced in volume when you join a Microsoft Teams meeting. And most of the time, that is probably what you want so you can focus on the meeting. But if you're sharing computer sound, the same setting that quiets other system sounds will also be quiet, like the audio you are trying to share. So to fix this, go to your system sound settings on the taskbar, right-click on it, select Open Volume Mixer, and then double-click on the system sounds. On the Sounds window, select the Communications tab on the horizontal tabs, and then click on the option Do Nothing. And then finally, apply the changes so others will be able to hear your shared audio loud and clear. So that's what you can do when Microsoft Teams is muting all sounds on your computer. And that's it for today's video. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell if you would like to see more tutorials like this.